Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Look what I found on the beach the other day. I've already made something. I made this adjustable necklace. It's 100% waterproof. You can wear it as a choker, you can wear it as a long necklace. And I want to make some matching earrings to go with it. So for this project, you need round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, wire cutters, maybe a pair of scissors. I don't know, I just have them out all the time. I know you need a pair of scissors for this, but we're making earrings. And I'm going to use wire. Normally I like to use jump rings, but I'll tell you what the issue is in just a second. And of course you're going to need ear wires. So I have these 3 shells that are very similar in size. They're very similar in color. This one's a little bit bigger than these two. Because they're so similar in color, I'm going to go more with the size, but there's an issue. So, oh wait, I thought this one had a hole in it. So you know what? Never mind on that. It's going to have to be these two, but let me show you this anyway. See the hole here? And look at the hole here. It's more on the side. And that's why I was looking at this one, which I'm surprised. Usually these have a hole in it. And normally I will use a jump ring, but a jump ring in this is going to be weird. So we're going to use some, I've got 22 gauge wire. 20 gauge wire is what I usually like to use, but this is what I have. And we got lawnmowers out there. If it gets too loud, I may have to postpone this for a little bit, but let's get going here. So I'm going to start out with this shell. All right, the phone was ringing. I usually don't answer it, but my mom, if you've been following me a lot lately, you'll know that my mom, she had a little bit of an accident, and I've been caring for her. So I have to answer all the phone calls in case some medical person calls. And so we get a lot of spam calls. Drives me crazy. Anyway, so let's see, how long is that? It's a couple of inches. So 4 inches and then in half. And well, since I already know that is 4 inches, you want these two to match here. But so anyway, see what I did here? Put it in there. And then I'm going to cross them. And then I'm going to twist to make this one wire. You know, and you can do a pendant like this too. If you didn't want to do it this way, you could do it this way. I have done this before. And then I hang it on a chain. All right. So I want I'm trying to think how big I want this. I'll go down about that far. You don't want to go down too far on either side, where it's too big or too little, the hole. And then you're just going to wrap. And then you're going to tuck. And I need the hole to be like this, and I'll show you why in just a second. But I want to go ahead and finish wrapping all this wire and tucking it in so it does not scratch you. Now the other day I was grocery shopping and I was talking to a lady. She was checking me out, and we were talking about jewelry, and told her that I made a lot of seashell jewelry, and she's like, oh man, how do you keep the wire from scratching you? Now see right there, it's not tucked in all the way. I don't know if you can see it, but that will scratch you. So you want to tuck it in underneath there, and then I feel around, like I don't feel, oh, there's the other one. Okay, I don't feel anything anymore. So we have one done. And then you're just going to open your wire. But I told her, I said, I've got a YouTube channel where I show how to make stuff like that. And I talk about tucking the wire in there. So hopefully, I don't know if she's watching, but this is an example of how you can make something from the beach. Those really came out cool. Now, let me show you another earring here that I did. Okay, I think I have these on my other channel, Be Creative, where I just used the jump ring. I used 2 jump rings. Get a little bit of a different style. All right, I'm going to finish this one. The hole's a little off, kiltered there, but that's okay. Let's see, so we said 4 inches, right? Oh, I think I hear the mowers. I don't know if y'all hear them or not. All right. When you use things from nature, if you have to have 2 of them, like for earrings, they're not going to be exactly alike. And that's okay. That's all part of using things from nature. See how different that looks? All right. Get these tucked in. Sometimes you may have to just grab and kind of pull. But you want to make sure everything gets tucked in. All right, don't feel anything scratching. Now the way you open the earring, you don't want to open, so you have a circle like this, okay? You don't want to open it like this. You kind of want to open it off to the side, because if you open it like this, it weakens the bottom of the circle. See how I did it kind of at an angle? Let's see. I think you can see it there. Whoops. There we go. See how it's kind of at an angle? All right, I'll put this on, make sure it's facing in the correct direction. I need to open it up just a little bit more. Gently close it back. And there we go. We got our earrings. There we go, all done. Makes a nice little ensemble there. Great gift and a great way to remember your beach trip with a little souvenir. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye. The little necklace I wound up giving to a friend of mine, but the earrings, I decided to go ahead and put them in my Etsy shop. Link down in the description box below.